Hi guys, this is Stephanie from WTI, and today I have for you the Kids North Face snow boots. These boots are going to keep little feet nice and warm. They come in 3 different colors. My son has the Arctic blue and black snow boots. They are waterproof and they keep the toes nice and dry so they can hike, splash, and explore comfortably even the nastiest conditions. The boots itself, it has a rubber sole, which it has a grip rubber, so you don't have to worry that they might slip because that will help them. It also has laces that they can tie it up. I also love that it has another layer of protection. It has a Thermafelt Plus removable liner, which provides warmth in icy temperatures. I'm sure your kids will love these snow boots as much as we do. And that's my point of view.